good news guys, we have a new event called New Year's New Fire in Clash Royale, and you can get these banners, but the highlight of this event are the 6 Evo Furnace Shards. Not 3, but 6 full Evo of Furnace. See? 3, 4, 5, 6. Not only that, you get 1,000 gems at the end and 2 new emotes. The charging knight and also the skeleton with the guitar. And also we can get some seasonal chests. So make sure to join this event guys. Play every day and claim all these rewards. And look at this guys. We are getting some trade tokens. Trade tokens were long removed ever since global tournaments disappeared, but now they're coming back, so we can trade with our clanmates now. The bad news is I already have the Furnace Evolution, so I hope I can still get some cards from that guys. See, I already have the Furnace Evolution. Anyways, thank you for watching. Bye.